in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to improve the Spotify sound quality on the app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Spotify and select your user account icon in the top left, and then go down and select where it says settings and privacy. And now you want to select where it says media quality, and then go down on this page. You want to go to sound, actually. So it's actually a little bit higher up here, the cellular streaming and Wi-Fi streaming. Basically, you just want to set everything to either normal or high or even very high if you have Spotify Premium. And you just would go through the list here and just turn everything up to higher quality. Please note that if you do not have good Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity, it may impact the performance or buffering of the audio and it might not sound the best. So just keep that in mind, and that's pretty much it. You may want to also turn off the auto adjust option up here too, because that way Spotify is going to be automatically adjusting that streaming quality. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.